the Shamrock Shake. It's green, it's minty, but is that all it is? Yeah, pretty much. But we're gonna find out for sure right here in the drive-thru kitchen as we make this holiday classic here today. Buckle up, because I'm in a mood. That's all I can say. Alright, you've been warned. When I was a kid, I was obsessed with the Shamrock Shake. That's probably because I was not allowed to actually have one. Not sure why, but for me, fast food was pretty rare, period, as a child. So I'm guessing that's all it was. Mom didn't hate me or anything. It's, you know, we didn't eat fast food. Anyways, but there was something about the Shamrock Shake that just called out to me. I only had like 2 of them before I turned 18. Because, yeah, just never got to eat them. So, whatever the reason, I still have a yearning for these holiday treats. So today, I'm going to make one. Or actually 2, because the recipe actually makes 2. But anyways, we're getting ahead of ourselves. What are you going to need? You're going to need vanilla ice cream. You're going to need some mint extract. You're going to need some green food coloring. You're going to need a little bit of whipped cream for the top, a little bit of milk, and that's basically it. That'll make it. Okay, this isn't the hardest thing in the world to make, which is good because that'll get you pooping out green turds in no time. Am I the only one a little concerned about what the yellow dye number 5 and blue dye number 1 are actually doing to your insides? No, just me? Oh, okay. Never mind it. You do you. There really is no reason to even put the dye in there other than to make it look fancy. But I will be adding it because this is the internet, of course. And yeah, if I don't put that in there and I try and put like a white Shamrock Shake out on a video, I'm going to get a big pile of death threats in the comment section. Seriously, I get death threats sometimes. It's a cooking show. Lighten up, people. Come on. I tell jokes. I'm not a serious person. Relax, okay? We don't need to kill anybody over this stuff. Seriously, just relax. All right, so we're going to start with some slightly thawed ice cream. If you're in a hurry, you can actually microwave this for about 20 seconds. Just throw the whole carton in there. 20 seconds to do a good job. Otherwise, move it to the fridge about 30 minutes before. It should be about fine. You'll need about 2 cups of this. We need about a half a cup of whole milk. You don't want to use the 2% or 1% because there's more water in there. It screws the whole thing up. You can use heavy cream if you want, if you have a death wish. It's fine by me, whatever, you know, suits you. To that, you'll add about 1/4 teaspoon of mint extract, not peppermint. Those are 2 different things. Then, just add as much toxic chemicals. Oh, I'm going to get sued. Add as much toxic chemicals as you'd like to get the green apple squirts for a few days. Oh, I told you I was in a mood. All right, that's about 6 or 9 drops. That'll do for most people. And then we just blend this thing up. And seriously, it's pretty much that easy. So why aren't we doing that already? Here we go. Blender. Start with a clean one. If you were making margaritas or gravy or enchilada sauce or something, make sure you clean this thing. Otherwise, it's going to transfer some funk. You don't want that. Now we got our ice cream. Yeah, I did microwave it. And it is super soft. So we are going to add the slightly softened ice cream to this. It just makes it easier. I think a better product in the end. So you want about 2 cups. Is that 2 cups? I don't think so. But again, this will make a couple of these. So if you're only making 1, only make half as much. Or drink twice as much. That looks fine. That'll be fine. Now, half cup of milk if you were using the full thing. Always smell your milk. Is that a half cup of milk? There you go. You can always add more, you can't take it out. Of course, you could put more ice cream in. That would work. All right, so I have all right, let's try that again. I have a 1/4 teaspoon measuring spoon right here. If you want to know what that is in milliliters, it's 1.25. 1 1/4 milliliters. I don't know. Somebody in Europe is like, Why is it? Okay. There. It just leaked everywhere. It's got a hole in this thing or something. Jeez, at least it's not vanilla. That would have been like $30 worth of vanilla going down there. All right. 7 or... Oh, it's got that great minty chemical smell that everyone loves so much. Oh, wait. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you know the trick about just poking 2 little holes in this thing so that it comes out really, really slowly, right? Yeah, don't just rip that whole cap off. Just 2 little holes, different sides. Perfect. All right, this is going on there. It's gonna get loud for a second. Excuse me. Okay, there you go. See, it only took a second. Look how green and lovely that is. Let's just pour some here in a glass. Oh, that looks beautiful. We got a little thickness. Hey, what do you want? I measured actually correctly. I get 1. It's perfect, because, come on. You only need so many green poops. But seriously though, how does it make all your... It's a little disturbing. I'm putting that in there, because you don't know. All right, you do know. It's whipped cream time. Don't go crazy, because otherwise this goes... Or go crazy, it's fun. Okay, there is that. Oh, it's so pretty. You got to put the green sprinkles on it, right? Come on, you got to have this the sanded sugar on this. That's blue. You know what? Of all the things that have happened in the past few years, if our green sanded sugar isn't exactly green anymore, it's not the worst thing, is it? Oh, maraschino cherry on top. What? Oh yeah, because it's got to look pretty. Because the internet. Yeah, one cherry right there. It's all you need. Oh, it's pretty. And oh look, I have an official McDonald's straw. Got an extra. You go through it, you just steal a bunch of straws. It's perfect. That is an honest to God actual McDonald's straw. I promise. The Shamrock Shake. Let me take a thumbnail real fast before that thing's down to here. All right, all we got to do now is enjoy a Shamrock Shake. Yummy. There it is. Years of suppressed childhood trauma flooding right back in. Why, Mommy? Why? Anyways. Okay. Yeah. You don't want to put too much of the mint in there because it used to be fairly light on the mint, and I don't know, lately they've gone a little heavier. But yeah, there's a Shamrock Shake. Pretty cool. It tastes exactly like a Shamrock Shake. That's not the hardest video in the world to make. Now, there is an alternative method for making this beauty that's way easier. Start with the mint chip ice cream right here, and then just take out all the chips. If you don't want to go through all that, you can just leave the chips in and just enjoy it that way. Fitting, really. The little bits of chocolate remind us that most Irish people are completely full of shit. To be clear, I'm mostly Irish, so I'm really just talking about myself. This makes a great version of the Shamrock Shake, and it's super easy for people who are too lazy to just get the mint extract at the store while they were there. Start with this. It's fine. This year, the Shamrock Shake is turning 58, so let's all raise a glass to the St. Patrick's Day Classic and thank Hal Rosen, clearly a fine Irish boy and not totally Jewish, for inventing this delicious treat back in 1967. Enjoy, and may the luck of the Irish be with you, because when I think about luck, I think of the Irish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on the Drive-Thru Kitchen. Too much? Did I go too far? Is this the one where I get canceled? Yeah, screw it. Let him try. Really? That's the video? That's it? This is gonna be a train wreck. Oh my god, that's a train wreck. Pew! I'm back, man. I'm back. I'm just gonna have fun from now on. Okay? Because this stuff is hard. The comment section is mean. And the internet is hard. So I made a Shamrock Shake. It's dumb. It's silly. I don't care. It's a milkshake with green food dye in it. But this is just funny, and I'm being funny, and that's what I do, is I be funny. So enjoy the video. It's just meant to be fun. If you're Irish, you know I don't think you're full of shit. I know it. You know it too. That's why you laughed a little bit. You chuckled. You did. And if you feel like fighting, well, then you really are Irish. Anyways, love the Irish.